I was over here talking to. Oh, sorry. I was talking to the dog, and I got distracted completely. Well, this is Geisha, and Geisha's mom, Kristen, and you recognize our friend Dr. Jill, who is here. We're going to talk about a condition that actually can affect quite a few dogs.
Right.
And how are they snoring? Do they breathe funny? How do we know they have this nose problem?
Absolutely. They snore funny. They get a lot of infections. Their eyes can become infected. They have breathing disorders. And Geisha here had surgery about a week and a half ago.
Geisha, you have to look over here,
I know,
honey.
she's totally cute. But you'll see the pink around her eyes because she's healing. And if you look here, this is a picture that we took of her while she was still under anesthesia. This is the defective nostril. This is the one that we fixed. So you can see the difference right there. We opened it up so Geisha could get more air. And this typically affects brachiocephalic breeds, which are the dogs that have the pushed-in faces like the pugs.
My mom has a pug that you can hear breathing from a block away.
Yep.
Is that what's going on here?
That's one of one of it. Sometimes they have what's called an elongated soft palate, which thankfully Geisha didn't have issues with that.
Okay. So now, is this a fairly quick surgery? Is it a big deal? Did Geisha seem to mind that we were doing this?
Asked Jill, she spent the night in the hospital.
Did she? Okay,
Yes.
all right.
It takes a couple of days for recovery. It is
Okay.
constructive. It's basically like plastic surgery for dogs.
It's a nose job for your dog.
Right.
Okay.
But it is for medical purposes.
Sure,
I want
certainly,
to make sure. You know, dogs like Diva also. Diva's thankfully got a longer face, so
Right.
she didn't have that issue. But many boxers have that issue as well.
We're a boxer family, and I know that can be a problem. Now, the eyelid surgery, that is interesting. It is possible for the eyelid to roll over on dogs, and it's actually the hair on the outside that is irritating the eye. That's the other surgery you did, right?
A lot of these dogs have issues with their eyelids that roll in, and they have little tiny microscopic eyelashes that can scratch the cornea and cause corneal abrasions and eye infections.
Also more common on our adorable smush-nosed doggies.
You bet.
Yeah,
Very common.
No, Geisha looks like she's happy as she can be right now.
Well, she's quiet, at least before you could kind of hear her breathing, and a lot of dogs that snore have this issue too.
Okay, I know you wanted to talk about these drops before we went there as well.
These are great. I use these post-surgically. They are prescription, but there are a whole line of homeopathic eye drops now, and these have calendula in them. They really helped with the surgery, prevent the swelling. They were soothing as well, and there's a whole bunch of different drops that they offer, but I use these post-surgical, and they really seem to help speed the healing process up.
All right. Well, we wish Geisha a happy recovery, although she looks like she's doing great. Yeah, look at the TV people one more time, if you would, Geisha. Okay. Kristen, thanks for coming in. We appreciate it. And Dr. Jill, it's always a pleasure and educational to talk to you. Let's go check out what the weather's like. Well, if you have any questions for Dr. Jill, make sure you contact us. You can send your emails to morning@fox40.com, or you can give her a call. The number is right there on your screen, and her website is drjill.com.